Daphne, your Smart Shopper. Okay, so today's simple saving hacks is all about how you can brighten those teeth without breaking the bank. Well, the solution is baking soda. So all you need to do is wet your toothbrush, and then I already have some baking soda right here in this cup. So you just want to put a little bit of that with your toothbrush. Put that on there just like that, just a little dab right there. And then you're going to brush your teeth. So I'm just going to brush it just a little bit. Just this little section right here. Okay, I'm going to rinse out, so. Okay, so that's it. It's that simple. Now, it's baking soda. This little box right here cost me 99 cents. I think you can pick up the grocery store for 50 cents. Obviously, use a fraction of that, about a penny's worth. I wouldn't use baking soda all the time because it does eventually take the enamel off of your teeth. But maybe if you need, like, you're going on a hot date, you want your teeth to shine really bright, maybe once a month, it will definitely make your teeth really white. I'll have all the information. Just head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.